so here we are. I've taken the old motor out over there, got the new one back in. We're getting ready to wire it up. So let's get ready to put everything back, get it all connected. We can test this thing out. All right, so we got the capacitor locked back in with the brown wires back here. Black goes to the end. And if you look at the picture I took a picture of it so I wouldn't forget. Okay, and yellow up the blower white. Yep, that's blower white. So that's where blower white goes. Now everything's ready to go. We are hooked up. All right, here we go with the new blower motor, and look at that, it started right up. Check the compressor now to see if it's kicking on, and we'll check for the cold air. But that was an immediate startup, no problem at all. All right, let's go check the compressor out. All right, so we are running. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that bitch in there. It's running good.
Yeah, things are running good inside.
Feels good inside.